Okay, here's me walking on the beach, and this piece of metal is either from the rail line, the rail line for the sawmill, or the sawmill itself. And there's the wharf. I'm gonna say they probably had part of their mill out over the water or the sand, and the water. This is where they would dump some of their logs and float them. And down here, let's see. There's a spade down here. Here we go. All right. There's a spade, an old one right here. Probably from, look at this, Linda, look. An old spade. Probably 100 years old or more. If it's from the 1900s, then you got a 130-year-old spade there. And oh, here's another piece of metal here, probably same thing. Oh, there's a barrel. They used to make barrels, and there's one of the bands. I'm taking a video. Say hi.
Wow, interesting that your name is here.
Stairs. But they used to make barrels, right? There's one of the barrel bands.
And by 1911,
Well, if any junk is gonna fall, it's gonna fall down here. And I'll bet you the water is probably littered with things too. And they took it all apart. And yep. Pardon? Okay, hold on a second, my dear. Because I'm looking at stuff here. Oh, there's an old foundation here, so another clue. Probably from the sawmill, because I can't see how they could operate without a foundation. But a company apparently came down and took everything to St. John. Oh, here's a piece of metal. Oh, another piece of metal. Lots of metal around here. From the sawmill. Yes! I'll show you. I'll help you. See this here? If I stand on it, it'll be like standing on history. Oh, yes. So the sawmill was taken over sometime by 1911. The Stairs family worked in the mill, or built the mill, and by 1918 or so, my family moved to Sault Ste. Marie. So the brothers must have continued on, or relatives. Yes, I'm coming. Well, I don't think they all left it. I think that the collapse of the industry was coming because the park took over. The park was established maybe later. I gotta figure that out.